Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video we are going to study about list. Chapter 2 Part 2. There are three types of list in HTML. We can create order list when the number of item is in specific order. Suppose I want to write top 5 movies, top 5 color, top 5 student in merit wise. For that purpose we can use order list. But when the number of order is not important, just we need a list but order of the item are not specified, then we can use unordered list. And the last one is when we want to write definitions. We want to write a particular word and their definitions or a set of definitions. At that time we use definition. That time we use description list. And to create order list we use OL tag, and to create unordered list we use UL tag, and to create description list we use DL tag. So these are the tag. OL is used for create order list. To create unordered list we use UL, and to create description list we use DL. Now let's begin with order list. When the number of item in the list is important, when the order is important, at that time we use order list. Suppose I want to write top 5 movies, then how we'll do? The first line will write this one, doc type HTML, which is necessary to create an HTML5 document. Then we'll write HTML, and if we don't give any definition or title, any style, then we can skip head part. So we'll directly write body. And here as we are going to create an order list, so we'll write OL, and to create the list item we will write LI. LI stands for list item. Suppose I want to write top 5 movies, then we will write the just movie names here. What suppose Harry Potter. Then we'll close the LI, and for the next again we'll write LI, and the next movie suppose Hobbit, LI. Then the third one again LI. We'll write here another movie, suppose Lord of the Ring. Then LI will be closed. Again the next one LI again, we'll write the movie name. Then LI will be closed. Again one more item, so LI, and here we'll write one more movie. Suppose it is a, what shall I write? Wrong Turn. So these are my items. After writing all the items, as I am writing top 5, so I have added 5 items. Then we'll close the OL tag. So this is the simple example of order list. After writing the list we can close body. Then we'll also close HTML, which is the root element of the document, and we'll save the file. For that we can press Ctrl and S. The save window will appear, and here we'll write the page name. Page name suppose I am giving as list.html, and we'll save it in desktop folder. Now we'll go to desktop and we'll open the file for output. Now you can see here top 5 movies. Then here are the numbers like 1 Harry Potter, 2 Hobbit, 3 Lord of the Ring, 5 Mission Impossible, and 5 wrong turn. But while we wrote the command, at that time please notice we have not given any number. The number 1, 2, 3, this came automatically. So now what if we want to change the numbering? Instead of 1, 2, 3 I want to write ABC. Then how we can do that? List have again 3 attributes. OL tag have 3 attributes. They are type. In type we can give the values as 1, which will give us normal number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A, it will give me numbering in ABC in small letters. Capital A, it will give us numbering in capital ABC. Capital I, it will give us Roman numbers in capital letters. Small I, it will give us Roman numbers in lower cases. And one more attribute is there, that is type or start. From where we want to start the list? Suppose I want to start the list from 5th rank. Like my list will start like that 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we will write that number. If I write start equal 5 and I give type equal A, then the list will start from A. So one more attribute is there, that one is reversed. That attribute is used to reverse the ordering of the list in an order list. If I give we'll practice it. Let's try it. Suppose now I want the list in ABCD this way. So what we will do, after OL we'll write just type equal, we'll write it here A. If I am writing here small a, then the list will be appeared in small letters. So let's try it. Let's make the browser small, also little smaller. When I will reload the page, you will see the numbering will come as A, B, C, D, E. Now if I write instead of A Roman capital I, then what will happen? See, the numbering started from like Roman numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I write instead of capital I capital A, then what happens? First we'll save the page and here we'll reload the page. Sorry, here we'll write instead of Roman I, we'll write capital A. We'll save the page and we'll go to the browser and reload it, and now we'll see the numbering in A, B, C, D, E. Now what if we write start attribute? So we are writing here start equal, I am giving 4. Now with you will see the list will start from D. First we have to save the page, this one, file save, and we'll go to the browser and reload the page. You see the list started from D because the position of D is in English alphabet is 4, like A 1, B 2, 3, C 3 and D is 4. So the list started from D. Now if I write again reversed, let's see what happens. Save the document. So you see D, C, B, A, then 0, because after A there is no numbers. But if we give the start little more, suppose I am giving from 10, now you will see the list started like that, J, I, H, G, F, means the list started from 10th position of English alphabet, which is J, and it going in reverse order. J, then I, means the previous letter of J is I, then the previous letter of I is H, this way. Now let's write instead of A, let's write 1, and you will see, you will understand it better. we are writing here 1, so the number will come as 10, then 9, this way. Let's see. So you can see 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and as I am writing top 5, if I write start equal 5, the list will appear as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's reload the page. You can see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now if I remove the reverse part, the list will be like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's remove the reverse part. Now save the document, go here and reload. Sorry, I have till now start is from 5 only, so the list appear from 5 only: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I start it from 1, so I will write it here 1. Now let's see. So the list appears as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what happen if we don't give start attribute here? By default the list start from 1 only, so if we don't write start attribute, the list will appear from 1 only. And even if we don't write type attribute also, then also the list will start from order list will start as 1, 2, 3, 4, because the default value of type attribute is 1. But if we want the list as ABC or Roman numbers, then we have to write the type attribute. Like suppose I want Roman 1, 2, 3 in small cases, so we can write I. So you can see here. So this way we can create order list. In next video we are going to study about unordered and description list. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.